Backend development. Guys, many of you fear of the word backend, but it's not as much scary as you hear. Guys, trust me, backend development is, I guess, it's easier than frontend, according to me, or else I don't know why. I'm a backend developer and an AI engineer, though I'm telling you, backend development is way easier than frontend. Okay, now what would be the roadmap and what I'm going to teach you at the SkillX Academy? Guys, let's get into the computer screen and let's get started. Backend development. Guys, the course title would be, as you know, backend development. Now, let's see what we are going to learn in this backend development. Guys, this roadmap is what we are teaching at the SkillX Academy. For everyone, the roadmap would be same. Yes, we'll provide you everything with the proper notes. Guys, we have notes for front end and the back end also. We'll provide you as the course starts. Don't worry. Register right now. Stay tuned and follow our updates. We'll give you update. Follow our updates and check it out for the notes after the launch. Now let's see who is going to teach you. I'm I'm going to teach you the proper backend. Who am I? I'm a backend developer and an AI engineer. Okay, what is the outcome of this course? You might have a question that you thought like 3 months proper roadmap for the front end. Now for this, how many months would you take? 3 plus 3. This would be proper 6 month roadmap with a X amount. What is this X amount? We'll reveal in the very next video. Now, let's see what is the outcome of it. We'll build a scalable backend APIs with authentication, databases, role-based access, and we'll deploy real-world server applications. Guys, you go to any other YouTube channel, open it as a backend developer roadmap, and what they are providing, what they are offering. Trust me, guys, the depth I'm teaching you, I guess no one will teach. I'm not telling there is no better teacher than me. I'm telling the depth, the way of teaching would be great. Okay. Now, guys, if you're watching this backend roadmap, go back and watch my previous video, front-end development roadmap. In that, we have experienced teachers around 10 plus years of experience in MNCs. They are from IITs and all. So make sure you watch it out. Then let's start with the first module. It would be for sure introduction, then environment setup. What is introduction? Introduction to backend. Simple. We'll see backend, what is the client versus server, Node.js, VS Code. These are simple things we'll see. Now, package management basics. You'll see this NPM. What is NPM? In the front-end development also, you'll see NPM. What is NPM? Guys, it's an package manager. We'll deep dive further in our series. Now, why it is used and all is there? No need. Don't worry, guys. We'll teach everything from the scratch. Guys, I need a prerequisite. That is your time. Just 3 months of time. No other, any kind of prerequisites I need. Okay. Now, what is package.json? After initializing, init means initialization. After initialization, you'll the package will install, or else a new file will be created in your folder named package.json. What does it mean and what is package log json? Everything, guys, trust me, everything from the basics. Then we'll refresh from some JavaScript concepts required for backend. Then core Node.js modules. We have couple of modules. Don't worry, these are the basic modules. We'll teach you, no issues. Then Express.js fundamentals. What are the Express.js fundamentals and what is Express.js and what are the middlewares we are using for creating it? We'll deep dive. I had given a code because to get an idea, just don't worry by seeing this code. What is this Express and why he is calling this? What is this? Guys, no issue. We'll deep dive everything. I just wanted to show you what we are going to teach, in what depth we are teaching. Okay, working with JSON and REST APIs. What is JSON? What is REST? No issues. We'll deep dive. NodeMon and dev efficiency. What is NodeMon and how without continuously or else without continuously starting our server. What can we do? Auto restart the server. Then database integration, guys, the main part. I told some tips or some important chapters in the front end. Guys, trust me, if you know how to play with databases, yes, how to play with database, almost backend is done, guys. You need to play with database. Creating, we have CRUD operations. We'll deep dive further. I don't want to elaborate the video. I just wanted to tell you what we are going to teach at the SkillX Academy, and with an efficient manner we are going to teach you guys. Then what is mongoose? I just said CRUD operations. CRUD, I'll tell you a basic thing: create, read, update and delete. What are these? We'll deep dive. Next, authentication and authorization. Guys, backend plays a very crucial role in security. Means who should access, how much should access, what to access. See, authentication, who is the user, need to authenticate. Authorization, who is the, what role is that, like if I'm admin or a user or else some other thing. Authentication and authorization plays a very crucial role. We'll deep dive each and everything in detail, guys, trust me, we'll deep dive in detail. Next, we have auth flow, means how the authentication flow works. So user registers, password hashed. If the user login, get the GW token. Haha, what are you telling, Mr. Khan? We are not understanding anything. Guys, don't worry. This is not any lecture. This is not any class. This is just the roadmap. What we are going to teach you. See, our roadmap is this extent. Assume how we teach, guys, everything from scratch. No need of any prerequisites, guys. And the main part, wait for last. I have something for you. Okay, now let's move ahead. JWT middleware example, guys, trust me. I had an interview of 9 LPA in the backend. So what I got a question, right? Same question, guys. Implement a JWT middleware with an example. That's it, guys. It's a main question in the backend development for 9 LPA, guys. Trust me, for 9 LPA. We'll have a couple of things. We have great experience in those kind of interviews and all. We'll teach you, guys, no issues. Then role-based access. Okay, no issues. We'll teach you how role-based access works. Then advanced topics like rate limiting. Now, what is rate limiting? You created a server. Okay, some user came to you and you have a button which calls server. Then he's continuously clicking on the button. Then your server is continuously calling multiple times. Then what will happen? Other users will impact. So if the user clicks the button or else calls the server multiple time, what this express rate limit or else rjet or else rate limiting does, blocks the user for a particular time. If he does regularly, then we will block the user permanently. Something these kind of issues will do. Okay, no issues. We'll figure it out somehow. Then error handling. What is error handling? How to handle the errors? We have a separate middleware, because see, guys, if you get any kind of error, within seconds you'll get to know, oh, this kind of error I'm getting, so I need to clear only that kind of error. Then the development would be easy for you. And the MVC, folder structure. What is MVC? What is folder structure? Guys, don't worry, your folder structure will have a perfect structure. I don't want to tell you here. I'll tell you in the course directly in depth. Okay, then at the end I have one thing for you. Deployment, guys. Learning development is okay, but the main part comes of the deployment. We'll deploy using render, most probably render only. We'll use PM2 for process management. What are these? I think you are hearing these kind of stuff for the first time in your life. Okay, it's okay, no issues, guys, no issues. We'll deep dive everything. Now, if I want to give a summary of the 11 modules, what it would be: first, we're starting from Node.js. Then what we are doing? Something package management stuff and all. Then function callbacks, just we are refreshing those kind of things. And what are the modules? FS module, OS module, and Express basics. What is Express again? We'll deep dive, no issues. REST API and JSON will deep dive. NodeMon, this is module. and the MongoDB, means database stuff. What is MongoDB? Assume for now database stuff. Okay. Now the ninth would be authentication. What is bcrypt? To hash the passwords. What is JWT? To give the role based access and all. JWT token is a unique token. Guys, don't worry now. We'll deep dive. No worries. Next, authorization. Okay, role based access. Authorization in the sense role based access. Next, why would this roadmap is perfect teaching roadmap? Why it is? Guys, we have covered the core fundamentals. Okay, then professional backend. Basic to advanced. Guys, this is huge English. I don't want to go for that huge kind of English. Basic to advanced we are covering. Okay, the next step, production topics included. Guys, on the main part, last, wait guys, I have some great project for you. Then what we have covered into this, authentication and authorization we have covered. Why I'm telling this perfect? Because of this. Easy for students to follow. Guys, this is a very easy, guys. Now the project. What project we are going to do? What project? Guys, subscription tracker. Okay, guys, why subscription tracker? Guys, trust me, I'll create a very great subscription tracker API, and you need to just fetch those APIs into the front end, because we are making a great subscription tracker UI in the front end also. By using your front end knowledge and the back end knowledge, you will easily relate it with the back end to front end, and you will get the expected and the main partial results for your projects. Guys, trust me, if you watch my previous video also, I wanted to tell you, I mentioned subscription tracker multiple times because I just wanted to clear your concept by this great subscription tracker project, including everything. Guys, trust me, we'll include all these 11 modules into your project. What is this project? Subscription tracker. Why I'm including this? Because I wanted to just clear your concept, guys. That's it, nothing else. I wanted to clear your concepts and make you the job ready. Guys, this is your time. If you don't come up till now, still, guys, I don't have any words to you, because I'm doing my best to give you everything from the top IITians, from the top professors, from the top industry expert. I'm going to them, I'm collecting the information, and I am putting here, guys. Trust me, I am putting here. Many of you fear of the backend word, guys. I do know. I do fear of this backend stuff and all. Guys, remember one thing. I too don't know this backend, this stuff from my birth, coding and all. I too learn. I was exactly where you are. Now I'm teaching you. You'll also for sure you'll also some other day you'll also become a job ready, and you'll also become something like a tutor also. We'll have, guys, and the main part I just wanted to tell you, but I forgot. And the last topic is, if you are good enough in the front end and the back end, after 6 months, we are going to provide you the internship where you will work on our product named skillxacademy.org. Yes, we'll hire only top 5 students. Okay, we'll only hire top 5 students who are very great into the front end and the back end. We'll hire and we'll make them to work on the skillxacademy.org. Why? Guys, trust me, if you work on a real world product, then you will get to know the real stuff. Within 6 months, you could learn something. And this internship would be stipend internship. Means we'll give you some money. We'll pay you some money per month for working on this project. Trust me, guys, this everything is gonna happen, and the course start from the January last week or the February. I'll reveal the course fees in the very next video. Till then, bye bye, and that's it.